up, you guys? Today I'm gonna be eating spicy ramen with dumplings with cucumbers with my mom. And this is my mom, and we're gonna be eating spicy ramen with dumplings and cucumbers.
And we also have some cucumber. We can't forget our boba here.
Oh yeah, our boba.
Okay.
All right, and
Look at the little thing that we got from Dee Dee's.
Mhm. Alright, let me take one. So good.
And by the way, don't judge us. We do not know how to use chopsticks. We're barely learning.
Yep. Oh, and while we're reacting to this food, please like and subscribe. And we're gonna eat a dumpling. So okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Can't forget the sriracha on there.
So good.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.